Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll to the additional settings. And as you can see on the second position, we've got languages and input, so let's tap on it. Let's choose the first position, languages, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose and which we can apply. So let's find the language you want to use and simply tap on it. Let me pick, for example, French maybe. Let's tap on the language you want to use, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, and the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So if you want to get back to English, simply tap on languages, find English, and just tap on it. It is immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.